I think it's awesome that we haven't done any kind of gossipy talk tonight. But Josh from Kiwi Farms did announce on his show last week that it sounds like he's going to have that arrest body cam footage in the next couple of weeks here. He said that a very interested party is helping him in acquiring the body cam footage. I thought that was very interesting. You can lie, you can obfuscate, and you can run from the truth, and you can pick very carefully curated messages and only show the world the things you want to show them. But you can't run from the truth, you son of a bitch. And when that body cam footage comes out, it's going to be holy shit. I may hate Aaron, but he was right about everything. Jesus Christ, was that guy smart to get the out of there. Can we have a movie night to watch it together? I can promise you this. When that body cam footage goes out, there are certain parts of it that if I play it, I could end up in jail. So I'm certainly not interested in that part. But I will play the parts that are allowed for me to play, and we will do a separate stream. It won't be part of a morning show or an evening show. We will do a show where we will go over that body cam footage. I'll kind of walk you through it because I know what you're going to see in it. I know things only got worse after I left due to the communiques that I got from people who were on the inside at the time. Things only got worse when I left. So I've told you what the state of the house was and everything else. It's going to be bad. It's going to be Schadenfreude to the max. That's for sure. So when Josh does get that, we'll do a separate stream. We'll go over it here on this channel. I'll try to dial down the Aaron told you so, how dare you? But there will probably be a little bit of that in there. But no, I'm only going to play the parts that I'm allowed to play. I'll tell you this, the part of the body cam footage that I'm most excited to check out is the part where April apparently snakes everybody. It was so bad that they tried to get her part of that body cam removed from any potential trial. And the prosecution was like, we don't give a shit. We're not going to use it anyway. This is a open and shut case. We don't care. Fine. We're not going to use it. But everything that's part of it said that April made full confessions, implicated everybody. And that's a lot of the reason why her charges were initially dropped at first. And she was let go. I know when I was being interviewed, it was insinuated to me that April was an asset, that April was someone who was cooperating, and only after they realized that she'd gone back on that did the charges go back on her. So tick, 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 tick. I mean, Josh says he's going to have it. Now, a lot of people were trying to guess who the interested party was that's helping Josh get this body cam footage. Some people, a few people have insinuated it's me. There's nothing I can do to get this body cam footage. So it ain't me. There's nothing I can do. It would have to be one of the people who's in the body cam footage. So make your theories there. Or some people have argued that it could be the Law and Crime channel or EWA or whatever it is, the body cam channel on YouTube. Could be trying to help them get it. Here's the deal. Nick has lied a lot about the cops. Nick has lied a lot about CPS and the people who were in his home. So one of the things in Minnesota law, if it's in the public interest to dispel rumors or dispel lies, they can release the body cam footage. And certainly there's been enough of that. So Josh feels pretty confident that he's going to get the body cam footage. When he does, I will go over it off the air and we'll do our own little stream about it so we can take our time, go through it. And again, that'll be a lot of Aaron I told us so's, to be fair. Do you guys want to go over tomorrow morning? Do you want to go over the Zumach clip? Because Zumach got an email. He claims he got an email from a friend of April's saying that Nick made her make up that shit that he put out there at Hackamania and that Nick's been lying about stuff, that Nick took over April's Twitter when she was tweeting all that crazy, perverse shit. The only reason I hesitate is because I don't know if Chad actually got an email from anyone that knows her. All I know is I have gotten a similar message, so it makes me kind of believe him. So I'm not really sure, but it does make Nick look like a complete psychopathic, control freak, narcissistic, crazy person. I mean, it's pretty wild. I know it's going to really bug you. One of the other things about my very generous plea deal is with the felony out of the picture, SafeSport is completely out of the boxing thing. And by the end of this week, I'm sorry. I know that we've won the war. I don't want to pile on, but by the end of this week, we are to get word that SafeSport is closing their investigation, and I will be back as a licensed fighter and as a coach. We're going to get the coach thing, too. So that's wonderful. So, Super War Jam, come on out and come see Coach Aaron, and I'll teach you how to be a man. How's that, buddy? Another win for the toe. I didn't want to say anything until it was done, but I did. I heard from SafeSport last week, and they said, "Hey, just send us the documentation on the felony being dismissed, and we can close your case." And I said, "All right, here you go." Heard from them. Was it Thursday or Friday? They confirmed that they got it. Now all they have to do is send me the paperwork. I take that to USA Boxing, and we get all our books back and everything back. So that is wonderful to have that done. So every shot, every nuke that they tried to fire at the toe, everything they tried to throw at me, we caught it, blew a little kiss back to them, and said, "F you." So another win for the toe, and we kicked their ass once again. Sorry, guys. And you gave it everything you got. You tried your absolute hardest. Once again, I'm just better than you.